Tips and Tricks for the Savvy Allied Health Professional. Episode 4. The Task First Lockdown. A quiet moment in the clinic. It is easy to drift into downtime mode. Pulling out your phone, huddling in the hallway to swap weekend stories, or visiting with coworkers. It feels harmless, but providers and patients notice. Goofing off while basic chores sit undone stalls clinic momentum and can prevent you from going home on time. Here is what providers don't want to see. The social drift. Prioritizing casual office chatting over clear clinic duties. Being so attached to your phone that you neglect your work. When we choose to goof off instead of keeping active, trash bins overflow, exam tables stay dirty, and critical message loops get completely ignored. If you are clocked in, the clinic comes first. Here is the right way. The Task First Lockdown. We love a friendly office, but we value complete tasks more. Before you start a conversation or check your notifications, scan your station to guarantee every single basic chore is crossed off. Clear the task board, check your physical space for clutter, and lock in your clinical focus. Taking care of business before socializing keeps the doctor moving, protects patient safety, and earns you absolute respect from your team. Shift your focus from hanging out to locking down the work. Your challenge today: during your very next lull in patient flow, pause. Before you grab your phone or chat with a peer, find 2 small, uncompleted tasks and knock them out first. Now, tell us about your success in using the Task First Lockdown.